There are thousands of affiliate programs out there. Selecting the best affiliate program to promote is not an easy task. If you start promoting wrong affiliate programs, you can waste a lot of time, money and effort. Here are the 5 factors that you need to consider in order to choose those affiliate programs. 1. Demand. Is there a demand for this product? To put it simply, do a lot of people want this product? Do you know what type of people would be interested in it? Do you have a clear idea on how you will reach those people and get them to the website? 2. Conversion. Do you think the sales page of the product will convert many visitors into buyers? Does it make the product and the offer look enticing enough? Is the website user-friendly? Is it easy to place an order? When you look at the sales page, trust your gut. If you don't feel like you'd be sold on this product if you were a prospect, you are probably right. 3. Commission. Is the commission rate high enough? Digital products, such as e-books, usually offer huge commissions, 50% and up. Physical products, the one that need to be shipped to the customer, usually pay 10% or less. Compare the affiliate program to similar ones in the same industry to see if the commission rate is fair. In addition to the commission rate, pay attention to the dollar amount that you'll get per sale. For example, 10% commission on a $100 product is $10, while 50% commission on a $4 product is only $2. If the product is too cheap, you'll need to sell a huge number of units in order to make any significant money. It's often easier to sell several expensive items than lots of cheap ones. Aim for something in the middle, not extremely expensive but not too cheap. 4. Quality. Do you believe in the product? Would you be proud to promote it? No matter how hot and lucrative the product is, if you have any reservations about the product quality, its purpose or its industry, then don't promote it. Protect your online reputation. Doing something that does not sit well with you is destined to be doomed from the start. 5. Tracking. When promoting affiliate programs, keep track of all your efforts. Track the number of visitors you send to each affiliate program and the number of sales that you make. When you accumulate enough data to compare, dump those programs that are not profitable and focus all your efforts on the ones that make you money. Thank you for watching and don't forget subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.